on something that we're pretty stoked about. So this is the cooktop. This is the sink module. It's completely modular design. So there's like cooktop module, sink module, water module here. There's a little pop-out sink under here. Two dishes. And a hose reel in the water module there. So the hose will just sit here and you can fill up your sink when you're doing your dishes. We'll also have like a lighting system which goes in here, so you have two light poles. We'll plug in some beautiful string lights that will sit up here. And you've got USB-C power in your water bottle there. I'll show you the drawers.
And all the cool kit in the drawers.
Yeah, so when you get your camp kitchen, it'll come with a 30-piece snow peak kitchen set.
These are, I mean, just wonderfully curated titanium plates, really nicely done by the team.
Yeah, and then you've got all your pots and pans in here, pour overs and coffee pot for the coffee lovers. There's actually a coffee grinder in here, which is like one of my favorite things. And a little charcuterie board for your nibble platters.
Very cool. So the other thing that we get asked about all the time is, if you have a camp kitchen, can you still use the gear tunnel? And we designed, as Rachel said, we designed it to be made of 3 separate removable modules. And these 3 modules, we'll show you, they come off really easily. And then what's left is what we call the gear tunnel shuttle. And the shuttle has, you can use it for putting anything on. We'll have in the future more accessories that go on top of it. But these 4 lamps go down.
These 4 paddle lamps under here, unplug your cooktop. And then let it thing on. And you literally just slide it towards you. It's on a T-slot system. So slide it towards you, pick it up.
And same for the other. And on this shuttle, we also have 110 volt plugs, 2 of them, as well as 2 12 volt plugs.
Yeah, and then when you want to put it away, you just put it, snug leave it there. Straight away.